Feels actually, first of all, no, I just like to thank the Lord, no, for giving me strength to go through this grabbing day, no. It was really hard. First of all, syempre emotionally, I have to battle and I have to really challenge my mind. It's not about me and Coach Tim. It's about the players of Magnolia and the players against Ginebra. I just want to thank the players and also my coaching staff. I really want to give them credit on this game because they really guided me, the coaching staff. Kasi alam nila na mahirap, especially in this kind of atmosphere. In today's 50th anniversary of PBA. For the players, they really, they were really ready going into this game. I really appreciate their effort, their fight going to this game, their focus going to this game. I guess they really wanted to give this first win sa akin, no? So I really appreciate my players, and I hope that this will be the start of a good journey for it's not about me, it's for the players, it's for the Magnolia team. People are really looking at me as yung ako lang yung tinitingnan dito, but they have to see that on the bigger picture, it's really the team of Magnolia. I'm just here to guide them. In the end of the day, sabi ko nga sa mga players, it's them versus the 5 of Ginebra inside the floor. It's not me against Coach Tim because we can only do so much. We can just give instructions on the timeout. Pag maingay, hindi pa nga kami naririnig. So, bottom line is the players talaga. So, it was, I feel great, feel good about this win. But again, we did not achieve anything. It's just, again, katulad nga na sinabi ko sa mga players, we win this game, it's just one win in the standing. And if we lose, it's one loss standing. So it's really, it's just a normal game for us that we have to get better and stay disciplined because we're looking at the bigger picture here. Of course, tanggapin ko ito panalo na to, why not? Right? So, yun.
Coach, we all know the history you have with Ginebra, and likewise, the history Ginebra has with you. What would you say was the edge that made a difference leading up to this matchup and ultimately getting the win?
Well, I guess the system of Ginebra is pretty much the same when I was there, so with under Coach Tim. So I think going into this game, I don't think we have an advantage. Kasi in the end of the day, it's Coach Tim pa rin eh. Diba? He will find ways to get this win, to get this first victory with the Ginebra team. But I guess nagplano lang ako na sa tingin ko na may chance kami to get this win. We had a game plan. Ang hirap naman kasi isa-isahin ng mga ginagawa na Ginebra kasi madami. Kulang ang oras. But yung mga important keys lang, yun lang talaga ang diniscuss ko sa team. And I guess my advantage is I know the basic of what they're running. So, yun, nagawa lang ako ng plano to counter that. Because Ginebra is really good at executing their offense. Kilala Ginebra sa ganyan, especially team ni Coach Tim. And we were ready also sa defense na ibibigay nila sa amin. So, we practice our offense also to execute our offense because Ginebra is a defensive team also. So,
thank you so much, Coach. We will now open the floor for our friends from the media.
Hi.
Coach, ngayon na kami yung first week mo kasi Coach. Nakikita naman naman natin. Do you think nararamdaman ng comfortability mo forward?
Honestly, hindi pa rin. Kala ko nga kanina, may isang quarter pa eh. Hindi ko, sa totoo lang, alam ko may isang quarter pa. Yung pala tapos na. No, but, I cannot be complacent just because we got this game. No? Again, katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, we got this win, we got get out of this victory out of our chest, but this is just the start of our journey. No? This is just a start ng journey ko sa Magnolia, so I cannot be complacent. If sinasabi ko sa mga players na we have to get better every day, we have to be disciplined, we have to be focused on the things that we need to do, and let's not worry about the other team, na kung anong gagawin nila sa atin. Basta ang importante yung gusto natin gawin dito sa team. Remember, may pinag-aanda kami mas malaki. No? May pinag-aanda kami mas malaki. So, ganun din ako as a coach. No? I want to learn every day. I want to get better. I want to, as much as possible, stay disciplined. No? Na maturo ko o mapagawa ko sa lahat ng mga players ko, lahat ng mga gusto kong gawin, no? Para sa team na. So, yun. I cannot be comfortable and I cannot. Siguro makakahinga lang ako bukas saka sa Tuesday. Yun lang yung break namin eh. But we have to prepare again for our back-to-back games next week.
Sir, okay, never to 65 points. Ito yung isa, tumanggaw niya yung defensive mindset coming from Coach Tito. Ito ako sa nandun pa rin yung defensive mindset, yung tinansin na yung ginawa for the defensive side.
Yun ang parati kong pinipreach at team namin. No? I came from a team that is really defensive mindset. No? I came from my coach, lahat ng mga success ko as a player. No? Ang key talaga for winning and getting all the championships is playing defense. No? So talagang yun ang pinipreach ko sa kanila. No? We have to play defense if we want to get to the next level. No, remember, no, I don't want to go back, diba? Ayokong bumalik, but this team is one possession away. Diba? Remember last conference, they were one possession away for getting to the next level. Diba? So we just have to get through that humps by getting and playing good defense all the time. Yun lagi kong pinipreach sa kanila.
Ano yung conversation ni Coach Kim meron ba?
Honestly, so far, wala pa kaming conversation talaga na face-to-face kasi we didn't have any time. Wala pa kaming time talaga kasi nagdire-diretso, ang daming nangyari, di ba? Me coaching the Gilas and then him coaching the Gilas also. And then, wala pa akong chance. No? I talked to the players. No, I said my goodbye, I said my piece to the players, but with Coach Tim, hindi ko pa nakausap talaga na face-to-face. No, so, hopefully, in this next few days, no, makausap ko siya. Now na naglaban na kami, tapos na, no, baka pwede kong makuha yung konting nasa isip niya, no, sa coaching. No? So, I'm sure he was getting ready also to this game, kaya hindi ko rin siya in-istorbo na. So, siguro after this, pwede na ako magtanong sa kanya.
Coach, kung nag-viewing pa kayo na scouting for this game, yung kung binong-binong na doon ka sa take na tapit na.
Well, iniwasan ko. Baka kasi sabihin nila hindi naman tama yung ginagawa ko. So, yung mga previous games, especially mga tune-up games, no, napanood din naman namin.
Alright, that concludes our Wednesday press conference. Congratulations.
Thank you. Alright, thank you.
Next coach.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
See ya.